Hi Hepthys! Today's video focuses on one particular part of our bodies, which is perhaps the most worked on and exercised muscle in the world. We are, of course, referring to the stomach. It is the focal point of attention for most workout regimens. If you don't have a flat stomach, the rest of your physique suffers tenfold. It's true that achieving a flat belly requires a ton of hard work and determination. You are going to need a regular workout routine and make changes to your diet, but the rewards are well worth it. Along with the hard work, there are also certain habits you could pick up to help the process. Naturally, this also means that you may need to drop some unhealthy habits as well. Having belly fat can put you at risk for several different health issues and diseases, and also lower your morale and self-esteem. So without further ado, let's talk about some of the proven methods you can use to get rid of belly fat. Oh, and don't forget to check out the bonus fact at the end. Number 1. Start avoiding carbs. Carbohydrates are a type of nutrient found in a large variety of edible things. When consumed in excess, they can cause a large range of side effects such as making you feel lazy, thirsty, and unsatiated. This in turn leads to, you guessed it, overeating and weight gain. Since fat has a natural tendency to settle in the midsection easily, controlling your consumption of carbs will go a long way in avoiding a bloated belly. Several studies have linked the reduction of fat deposits on the belly and organs to diet low in carbs. This has also proven to be a major factor in improving metabolism. While it is essential to ensure that at least 45% of our calorie intake per day should be carbs, some studies have concluded that people who regularly consume whole grains are 17% less likely to suffer from belly fat. Number 2. Increase the consumption of fiber. Fiber is a nutrient that will help you control your calorie intake and make your diet easier. When consumed, it has a stalling effect on your digestive system. This makes you feel fuller for longer and controls instinctive eating. Fiber achieves this by acting as an absorbent of fluid in your digestive system. This extends the time it takes for food to break down in the digestive system. This results in the expansion of the stomach, deceiving the body into thinking that it is full. Fiber also helps in the reduction of calories processed from food during digestion. It also lowers the chance of fat deposits forming around your vital organs and waist, helping reduce the risk of many illnesses and belly fat. Even small amounts of fiber can pack a big punch, as studies have shown that the consumption of 10 grams of soluble fiber every day can help reduce belly fat by 3.7%. Number 3. Drink water to stay hydrated. It may have occurred to you how beneficial water is to your body. Not only is it essential for life, but it also has some underrated benefits which can help you reduce body fat. This is because water is completely free of calories and drinking it has no consequences on your waistline. Additionally, studies have even shown that it may help increase your metabolism a little while aiding in weight loss. It was found that drinking at least 2 liters of water could cause the body to burn more than 100 extra calories each day. Water is also a natural remedy in helping with digestive problems like constipation and bloating in the midsection. In fact, the consumption of water 30 minutes before you sit down to eat could make you feel more sated, reducing your intake of calories and helping you in keeping your belly flat. Number 4. Keep your stress levels in check. What you may not realize is that if you are stressed, your eating habits change with your mood. This may result in a regular burst of overeating, sending your calorie consumption through the roof. Not to mention the crippling mental disorders stress can lead to. It's no big deal to feel stressed every now and then. It's completely natural and is something everyone goes through at some point. What is important though is to manage stress levels when you start to feel gloomy. If left unchecked, high stress levels can boost the production of a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol causes the protein in your body to be processed into excess sugar. This sugar is then converted into fat cells, which are deposited into various parts of your body, most commonly your belly. Reducing stress doesn't have to mean being unproductive or lazy, as these things will cause more stress in the long run. Doing activities like yoga or meditation has been known to help in reducing stress. Number 5. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol is one of the most calorie-dense drinks you can consume. And not any healthy nutritional calories either. It's full to the brim with sugar, at times even more than the amount contained in carbonated beverages like soda. The lack of nutrition leads to cravings for unhealthy foods, and the intoxication can cloud your judgment, causing you to fall victim to these cravings. All of the extra calories from this are then turned into fat and usually stored in the belly. In addition to this, being inebriated can cause your liver to be occupied with processing the alcohol rather than fat, increasing its presence in the body. Alcohol is also another substance that triggers the release of the stress hormone cortisol. This, again, causes the production of extra sugar and as a result, fat around your belly. Alcohol also negatively affects your digestive system. It puts a strain on your stomach and intestines, leading to a delay in the processing of food in the stomach. Another cause for concern is the way it affects the liver. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause degradation in liver function, causing an excess of fluids in the body. This can lead to bloating around your midsection. Number 6. Improve gut health. One of the most important factors in making your belly appear flattered is the health and balance of the microbiome in your gut. If you have experienced digestive issues like gas and bloating, it may mean that the healthy bacteria and flora in your gut are not in balance. Eating sugary foods can be one of the causes of this imbalance, as it decreases the presence of healthy bacteria and promotes the growth of unhealthy substitutes. This can lead to increased sugar cravings and eventually more fat around your belly. Additionally, having a bad gut can slow the rate at which nutrients are absorbed from the food we eat, slowing your metabolism and increasing the number of fat deposits in your body. This can result in an unexpected increase in body weight due to overeating. Adding supplements rich in probiotics to your daily intake can be incredibly helpful in promoting gut health. Number 7. Increase the consumption of foods rich in healthy fats. It is a sensitive balance. You will need to watch your intake of calories closely, but a diet consisting of an acceptable level of monosaturated fats can potentially help in losing weight. Monosaturated fats have an incredible trait of staying liquid at room temperatures, unlike other fats that get congealed together into deposits. Various studies have shown that diets high in monosaturated fats led to weight loss at a similar rate as consuming a low-fat diet, even with a similar number of total calories consumed. One of these studies analyzed the diet of 124 obese people, concluded that consumption of foods rich in monosaturated fats, when amounting to 20% of total calorie intake, had the same weight loss results as a diet high in carbs. Turning to a Mediterranean diet could be the answer, as it is very rich in monosaturated fats and has been associated with a wide range of beneficial properties. Increasing the likelihood of a flat belly is one of these benefits. Number 8. Exercise. We can talk all day long about making dietary and mental changes to help with belly fat, but the fact is that all of those things are just a supporting act to make the main method more effective. You may have guessed it by now, you're going to have to exercise your heart out. Nothing melts fats better than breaking a sweat in the gym. There are a variety of exercises you can choose from that specifically target the deposits around your belly, not to mention providing you with active lifestyle and preventing life-threatening diseases. You could take up some cardio workouts, which can be as simple as going for a brisk walk, or something more complex like rowing. More intense workouts like planking and Pilates are good at stimulating your core muscles. They help with your posture and target the muscles in your midsection. This increases the endurance and ability of these muscles as well as tones them out by burning fat. You could even seek help from a personal trainer who will teach you the proper exercises and workouts to help you achieve the perfect belly. As promised, it's finally time for your bonus fact. You'll need to work out and clean up your diet to get a flat stomach, but even the little things can add up and go a long way in helping you complete the task at hand. Adding minor activities to your everyday tasks like standing instead of sitting, walking instead of driving, and generally moving around more can help you burn off some extra calories. Studies have concluded that this extra movement throughout the day can result in the burning of up to 6 times more calories than being lethargic. This can amount to a whopping 2,000 extra calories burnt every day, but this is all dependent on your total weight and overall level of activity. So the next time you have the option to take the stairs instead of an elevator, you may want to take it. Your belly will thank you. There you have it, guys. We hope this video will help you achieve the flat belly and chiseled abs of your dreams. Like many of life's challenges, it will take some time, effort, and determination on your part, but don't let your dreams be dreams. The first step is always the hardest. The sooner you get to work, the faster you will have the physique that you want. As always, consult a doctor before undertaking any straining cardio workouts and a nutritionist before making drastic dietary changes. Is there anything we missed? Do you have a method that could help achieve a flat belly? Please let us know in the comment section below.